swag, bitch.
Well guys, the tuning is pretty much done after so many revisions, fixing all the issues of the car. The car is pretty much done. You should be feeling the boost, so we'll have some videos coming soon. Mr. Vicetuning himself.
He's a horrible customer. He's a horrible customer. He pushed me through so much shit. Will's been through hell and back.
Probably.
I changed it.
Yeah.
Through hell and back and put that bitch.
Ready?
Yeah.
Second year?
Yeah.
Second year?
Yeah, like 4,500 RPM from there. There this faggot goes with his iPhone again. Looking like this damn female is taking pictures in their car.
The idol though. You ready?
Yeah. You can do it second or third gear. Whatever you want to.
Shit.
What?
Can do it now.
What?
What do you mean?
Just get the fuck out of the way.
You scared the shit out of me. Wait. Ready?
Yeah.
Holy shit. That move. Woo!
Oh no!
What?
Somebody else.
Huh?
There's somebody else.
Oh,
down there.
somewhere? Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Holy shit. A la venga! Shit. That's a fucking fruit.
Get hit like that.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine
Oh
first gear.
shit, look, up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Imagine first gear.
This is dangerous. Wonderful. Ready? Shit. feels so nice. Well guys, as you can see, we made it back home. I bought this new cover for the Z. But yeah, let me show you. We made it home safe, made it home in one piece, and the car is still running perfectly fine. So yeah, super happy. As you guys saw, the car is pulling pretty hard. Not sure how fast it looks in video, but in person it definitely feels like this thing is hauling. So yeah, I see a couple things that I need to fix. I feel like I have a small exhaust leak on the header, probably from the gasket, so I'm going to tighten those bolts. I still need to fix that leak on my power steering pump so I can have power steering, but honestly it's a huge headache to remove the power steering pump now with turbo, so that can wait. It's honestly not that bad to drive it without power steering, and the car still has like a little bit of it, so it's not a huge deal for me. And a little bit of oil leak from the spacer, but other than that the car is running amazing. So yeah, next thing that I'm probably gonna get is an oil cooler, because the oil gets pretty hot after like 2 or 3 pulls. So that's definitely a thing that I want, especially here in Florida. It's really hot, and you know, it's gonna be a hassle to have to wait all the time for the car to cool down. So getting oil cooler will definitely help with that. And that is everything, guys. Huge shout out to my tuner. He had a lot of patience with me on this car. It took forever to get it finally finished and tuned, because you know I had to fix like a lot of shit all the time. So last thing, it was my fuel pump I had to change, because the one that I had bought that was used was either not set up correctly or the fuel pump was bad. So I just bought a brand new one from C1, as you guys saw in my last video. So yeah, now the car is running absolutely amazing, and it took a couple of tries, but we finally got it done. So huge shout out to him, because he helped me diagnose some of the stuff in the car, and he had like a lot of patience tuning this car with all the issues that I had, and you know, he made sure that the car was safe before pushing it, and added timing and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put his Instagram names at the end of the video, so if you guys want to get tuned by him, just reach out to his Instagram and let him know. Other than that, guys, that's it. I'll see what the next video is gonna be about. Probably either doing my oil cooler or maybe racing some cars, so we'll see. Thank you.